In this video, we're going to take a look at how you hard reset an Apple Airport Express. Typically, you would use the hard reset option if the Airport Express becomes unresponsive or if you're trying to troubleshoot network problems. A hard reset will return the Apple Airport Express back to its unconfigured state. However, the last saved configuration and profile is retained to allow you to restore the Airport Express back to its previous settings. To complete a hard reset, you need some sort of reset tool. You next need to locate the reset switch, which is recessed at the rear of the Airport Express. Now with the power connected to the Airport Express, use your reset tool to press and hold down the reset switch for 5 seconds. The status light on the front of the Airport Express will start to rapidly flash amber. This indicates that you have hard reset the Airport Express. As it takes roughly 1 minute for the Airport Express to restart, let's take a look at the Airport Utility. From within the Airport Utility, you will find that the icon representing the Airport Express has either been removed or has been greyed out. In this example, because the Airport Express was acting as a Wi-Fi extender, the Airport Express icon has been greyed out. You should now find a number 1 appearing next to Other Devices. When you select this option, a pop-up menu will be displayed. You will now see the factory default name for your Airport Express. When you select your Airport Express from the list, it will display a configuration wizard that will offer to assist you in the setup of the Airport Express. As we are looking to restore the Airport Express's previous settings, we need to choose Other Options. This will present us with 4 options: create a new network, add to an existing network, replace an existing device, and restore previous settings. Let's select Restore Previous Settings and choose Next. Before the restore starts, we are asked to confirm that we wish to restore the Airport Express to its previous settings. Select Next. The previous settings for your Airport Express will now be restored. Once completed, we can select Done. Your Airport Express will be added back into your wireless network, and its icon will be added back into the network diagram for the Airport Utility.